Introduction to Business Management. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know the following. 1. Meaning of business, business management. 2. Resources of business. 3. Objectives of business. 4. Functions of management. Definition of business. Business encompasses all the activities involved in creating and distributing goods and services, with the aim of generating profit. Definition of business management. Business management involves the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the resources of a business in order to achieve specific objectives. Classes of business. 1. Primary extractive business. Businesses engaged in extracting or harvesting raw materials from natural resources. 2. Processing conversion business. Businesses involved in transforming raw materials into finished products. 3. Distributive commercial business. Businesses engaged in the distribution and sale of goods. 4. Services business. Businesses focused on providing intangible benefits or services to end users, such as banking and insurance. Resources of business. 1. Money refers to the funds available to the business, including cash, shares, and working capital. 2. Materials includes tools, machinery, equipment, and raw materials necessary for business operations. 3. Management represents the resource responsible for planning, directing, controlling, and organizing other business resources. 4. Opportunities refers to identified chances for acquiring, creating, preserving, or distributing valuable products or services to customers. Objectives of business. Objectives are the desired outcomes of business activities. The objectives of a firm define the purpose for which the business exists and provide a direction for its operations. The objectives of business include 1. Maximizing profits. 2. Minimizing losses. 3. Maintaining solvency. 4. Producing goods and providing services. 5. Creating employment opportunities. 6. Safeguarding the interests of workers. 7. Achieving, maintaining, or increasing market share. 8. Fulfilling social responsibilities, such as paying taxes.